What up my beautiful subscribers, welcome to the channel. Today in today's video I'm going to talk about the two cheap best distributor for you to use as an independent artist. If this is the first time of watching video in my channel, please subscribe to the channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our update in our new video. So the first distributor in our list is Offset. Offset is one of the paid distributor that was made by one RPM team, and these distributors offers a very great plan here. They give you $12 yearly to release unlimited music. Major other distributors, they are charging you 29 or 22.99 a yearly for them to distribute your music. But as for this one, they charge you only $12 for you to distribute unlimited music. That is $1 per month, which is pretty cheap. So they mark as number one most cheapest distributor in the history to use to distribute your song as an artist, because even though you are distributing album, singles, covers, everything you want to distribute is under this $12. And if you want to use two artists, you paid 48. It's pretty cheap. So the next distributor in our list is CD Baby. CD Baby is pretty cheap, and now they are doing discount for you to pay 9.99 and distribute your song for lifetime. Why I said they are cheap is because you are not paying any extra fee or any extra subscription after you have paid this $9.99 or $4.99 for your lifetime, and your music will remain in the stores for lifetime without anybody penetrating to your music or taking down your music, and you still make more money at the end of the process. So the last distributor I will announce in this video is this CD Baby. And I'm going to say this: if you are using the both distributor, it is a cool distributor for you to use as an independent artist based on their terms of services and their customer support team, and every benefit a music distributor should give to you. These two platform I'm showing here is going to give you. As you can see, Offset give you everything you need, and they submit your song to SoundTrust. So if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, peace out.